Hi, this is Eric Sloof, and I'm reporting from the VMworld 2013, and I'm at Hands-On Labs. I'm joined by Pablo Rush. Hi,
Hey.
Pablo. How are you?
How you doing, Eric? Very excited to be here.
Great indeed. So you're a bit of the father of Project Knee, I believe.
We've been on the tech marketing side,
Yes.
and we've used Project Need to bring our labs to events like this as well as online.
So Project Knee, before we run ahead of all the information, is used to roll out the labs. People are working on computers right here. In the past, you had to bring racks and computers and lots of stuff to the location like this. Lots of things could go wrong. Is it all running in the cloud these days?
It's absolutely running in the cloud. It's using 100% VMware products. It's using the vCloud Suite. It's using vSphere, vCloud Director, and vCenter Operations Manager to run our labs.
Right. So does it mean that these labs are only available during an event like this, or have people also the possibility to do it from home?
Well, we've kind of changed the way the world is now in terms of labs. Now people can take the labs online, but one of the great reasons for being here at VMworld is that you get to meet the product experts. So some of the labs are available online, but this is when we introduce the new labs. So the new labs that we're releasing today are the VCAC 6 lab, the OpenStack lab, and there's a lot of excitement around these labs. The best part about it is that you can come down here and you can meet all the product experts.
Oh, that's great. So if you have a question, you can ask a product expert to guide you through the lab or tell something more about a specific topic, and let them help you actually continue or complete those labs.
Yes, absolutely. We also have the workshops now that we just rolled out, where attendees can register for a workshop and they can get an intimate one-on-one with a small group of product experts and learn about specific topics.
Is it some sort of a mini training then they get?
It's more of an informal mini training where they walk through the lab, the elements of what the lab's about. They walk through the product experts and then do Q&A with the people that actually built the lab. So there's a lot of excitement around the workshops.
Great. So people definitely have to visit the laboratory, the hands-on labs, because there's much more value in it. You can get guidance from a product expert, you can go do the workshops. If people still decide to do it from home, how many people eventually sign up? I can imagine that you have a lot of people who want to do the labs from home.
Yes, we have a lot of excitement around the labs online. They were released in November 2012, and to this date we've deployed 50,000 labs, or about 1.5 million lab minutes.
50,000 labs and 1.5 million lab minutes, you're saying?
Yes, absolutely. So it's been running great. We have a lot of support from our users around the world, and we've delivered the labs, again, seamlessly since November 2012, and we continue to have the labs online.
So what do people need when they want to run a lab on their own device at a special Wi-Fi place? You're also situated here around the premise. Do they need to install special software? Do they need a particular type of device?
No, we've made it very, very simple for our users. We use modern browsers, Safari, Chrome, and Firefox. It's all HTML5, and they need a very basic internet connection between 300 to 500 KB, and the latency about 240 milliseconds or better. So this means users around the world can basically fire up a lab, and they can get all the power and experience of being here, but at the comfort of their home.
Is there a URL you like to share with us?
Sure. It's very simple. labs.hol.vmware.com.
One other thing, there's also a special backstage tour you're offering to clients, I've heard. How does that work? How can I sign up?
Oh, okay, great. Well, you can register for a VIP tour here at the front desk. There was a waiting line here, and this is where we'll give you kind of a sneak background into what makes the labs, all the infrastructure. The experts will give you a tour around everything that's going on. It's very exciting. It's a great place to come by and meet us.
Are they also allowed in the Ops Center right behind us?
Well, right behind us we have the dashboard of the VC Ops, the login site, and all our products that we use to monitor the infrastructure. And customers can come in here and talk to our experts and kind of see how the products are working within our own infrastructure.
So it's like eat your own dog food, and even the monitoring tools that are used in the hands-on labs are also coming from VMware.
Absolutely. We use everything VMware products, and you can see they're running fine.
Great. Okay, one more time the URL for people at home.
Sure. labs.hol.vmware.com.
Great. Many thanks, Pablo.
Great. Thank you for having us, Eric. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.